What's up, everybody? I got a good one for y'all today. This is gonna be that carrot cake, but I'm gonna make them into cupcakes. You understand me? It's real simple, basic ingredients. Everybody need to do this one. I'm gonna make some homemade, that cream cheese icing to go on there. But right now, what we got is 2.5 cups of flour right here. We got a 3/4 cup sugar right here, a regular sugar. Got a whole cup of dark brown sugar right here. I always use dark brown sugar. You got 3 eggs right here, beaten, ready to go. You got a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of applesauce. I got the kind with the cinnamon in it. That's just how I get on. Then you got 3 to 4 cups of freshly grated carrots to go in there. 1 cup of pecan pieces. That's how I like to do this thing. You understand me? And then this is your seasonings right here. You got 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You got a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. You got a pinch of salt. You got a teaspoon of baking powder. You got a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of that clove right there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the sugar and the eggs together first. Then I'm gonna slowly add the oil slowly. You don't wanna put it all in one time. Mix it, I'm gonna use the hand mixer right here. And once I get that in there, then I'm gonna incorporate I'm gonna sift in the flour with the seasonings. I'm just gonna dump these in like that, pour that into a shifter, shake that in there, mix it up. Then I'm gonna put the carrots, the nuts, applesauce into the cupcake tins, and it's a wrap. 350 for 20 minutes, give or take, depending on your stove or where you at, elevation, all that good stuff. You know your kitchen, so do what you gotta do. Let's get this thing started. All right, y'all. Hey, look. Bam. That them carrot cake. You understand me? You dig? That's them cupcakes. What y'all didn't know, you know what I'm saying? I made me a big old cupcake. You understand me? Y'all might call it a little loaf or something. You know. But, hey, listen. This thing turned out pretty much like I wanted it to. I mean, it's delicious and all that good stuff. And I just want to invite y'all to go ahead and try that thing yourself. You hear me? Now look, don't forget about that giveaway. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit that notification so you see if you get that thing or not. I already told y'all what it was. If you don't know what it was or you didn't see that video, I'm going to say it in my next video. But it's coming up. And then after that, we got another giveaway. You understand me? Now this giveaway right now we're giving up, hey, it's all cold. It's a beautiful thing. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use mine to make some coconut shrimp for y'all, you dig? So hey, look, that's my carrot cake. That's the cupcakes. You know I'm not no genius at this thing right here, you understand me? But I guarantee you that thing gonna taste good. You know what I'm talking about? Look at me still messing up, but that's all right. I'm gonna eat these, and you know this. So, yeah, that's that cream cheese frosting. I gotta go. I done ran out of words. Listen, peace.